Well, tonight, guys, we are hitting Hua Lamphong Station because there's some sort of retro night market thing going on here. So, yeah, Jerry's with me. G'day, Jerry. What do they got here? Look at this is all new.
Yeah, I like this right here.
That's pretty neat. Yeah, it's a nice little hallway. This one here does a bit about the SRT railway. If you ever come down here, you can have a bit of a read of the building of the railway and all the other stuff. Yeah, quite a lot of stuff. It is a mini museum when you think about it, yeah. But yeah, we got some sort of retro night market. It goes for like 10 days. So this video will be out tomorrow or the next day, just so you guys can pop down and check it out too. This is again another one of our member videos. It'll go live 3 months from now. Who cares about those people? It's the members on the member channel.
I like the members only channel.
Yeah, members only channel. That's what you got to be. You got to be on the members only channel. It still doesn't cost you anything, and you got to ad free too, man.
But here, guys, you need to ask Wazza to give you some more dirt on the members only channel. He doesn't give us enough dirt.
Dirt? Well, I think I get dirt on the AI channel, man. That's the other. I get a bit more liberal on the AI channel for some of the stories there. But yeah, come and check out the hallway here. It's quite interesting. Oh, we are at Hua Lamphong Station. I had no idea where this market is. The photo we saw for the ad says it's out the front, so we'll just check it out. I'm sure there's lots of lights over here. Maybe it's over there. I always like it when I pop in here when we actually have some steam locomotives. We can't really do that much in Australia anymore. I think there's a film here still has some steam locomotives in Australia, but elsewhere, no. But this one's here nice and local in Bangkok, Hua Lamphong Station. So we got 5 locomotives already here, have we? That's pretty neat. That's the most I've actually seen here in Hua Lamphong at any one time. What's that, a diesel rail car at the end there? A couple of diesel rail cars. That looks like it's going north. They usually tell you where they're going to. What's this one? That one's going to Chang Chong Sao Junction. Okay, fair enough. If I said that right. But yeah, if you ever get a chance to pop down here, just, it's always good to sort of, realise that this is still running here apart from the steam locomotives. Well, there you have it, Hua Lamphong Station. We're going to go over there now. I think that's where the night market is. One of the things you'll get used to when you see advertising on places like Facebook for these little events, here's the ad. You can clearly see it's actually out the front of the station in the ad. But yeah, it's actually to the western side. That's definitely where we are. Not quite sure what we have here. It looks like a few more odds and ends in the rail yard there. Still don't know what you can actually go and check out or not. Interesting looking bridge across the clong. Yeah, you can stand on the edge of a pedestrian crossing for like minutes. Nobody will stop. Yep. That's it. Right, that waves, they'll wave it, yeah, acknowledge it there. Yeah. So I'm looking at that thing there. I think this is it. According to that thing there, a bit of a translation says, I think we've got the right place. This is it. Yes, you can actually get these trains that go up and down. Oh, not trains, boats. Trains, oh my God. Trains where we're just there. Boats we are here now. But I don't see anybody boats coming. Can't quite work at the timetable. But yeah, you can come and check that out if you want. Jerry, don't talk it now.
Maybe a little bit.
It's raining again. It's the rainy season. What have we got here? Bunny rabbits. Oh my goodness. Honestly, I thought it was a 2 birds with 1 stone. Hua Lamphong Station, check out the engines and see what's down here for the bric-a-brac and yeah, see what they got. Nothing out of the ordinary. You can get this just about anywhere, but check it out. with all the modernisation that's still coming into Thailand, it's still nice and refreshing to know the fact that the street stalls are still doing well. This is the real Thailand. This is really what makes Thailand unique, in my opinion anyway. What is this, a petting zoo?
I think they want you to buy me.
Buy me now. Really make yourself some bling, there you go. Thai clones. The kids love these things. Can't quite see what they're selling. They're putting their blankets out so that it doesn't get wet. Yeah, because it's going to come and ship down in about 5 minutes time. What do you reckon? I've already seen the drops coming. It's going to rain heavy.
It's going to stop and start and stop.
Looks like it's a Thai tea and latte and everything else. On a, what do they call a Honda Cub? On a Honda Cub, there you go. There you go, maybe chili dogs. You want a chili dog? Mini hot dogs, chili dogs, I don't know. What are you doing? Oh my god. Kun mi fan mai? Kun mi fan mai? No, why not? Oh, you're virgin. It's certainly not set up for you to actually stop and have a look. What have we got here? Noodles upon noodles upon noodles. Lots and lots of noodles. Did I mention the fact that the punts that go along the clong here are actually solar powered? 20 baht. I think that's the fare, no matter where you go, as long as it goes on the river. So we started down there, we've got here, and looks like we've got a little bit further to go. What do you reckon? Okay, I will start at this point. If you haven't hit the like and subscribe, I don't know whether you like this stuff, you know, come on. You gotta like it, you gotta like and
easy,
comment
man.
and shit like that, you know, that's what you're supposed to do. Now I do the video and you're supposed to do the liking and subscribing shit, okay? Oh, this stuff looks so yummy, so yummy. What have we got here? Oh. It's really crowded in here. If you've never tried this and sausage, you're missing out. These are sort of snack you can eat anywhere.
Get some.
Look at that, 4 for 100. There you go. Oh my god, pizza! Pizza! Hello! My biggest worry about drinking these things at this age is developing sort of summer waste diet and stage 2 diabetes. It's all sugar, man, but when it's hot like this, it is so refreshing, it really is. Definitely no shortage of food, is there? And the protein stand. There we go. Good protein for you. Boy. And what have we got here? Look, good old kebabs as well. They're always nice in an evening time. What have we got here? Look like cheese toasties. Oh my goodness. 10 baht. There we go, he's making some kebabs. There we go. Semi-dry whites and reds. Oh, okay, you want to try? Okay, try midnight. Bit of wine tasting at the market, like what? Actually smells quite nice. Yeah, very fruity.
What are we drinking?
A little bit more. What one's that one? What did we look at there? That was
It's hard to see.
can't tell. Was it Shiraz? No, it's more like a Merlot.
Thailand winery?
It's more like a Merlot. It felt like tastes like a Merlot because they actually chilled it. So yeah, it's interesting. What have we got here? Bone soup. Oh my goodness! Look. When you look at the snapshot there, it is just so tight. Sitting on the edge of the clong, eating dinner. Somehow when they reach across and try to get closer to the thing there just to get I always think this is so funny when people do that. How much closer should we go? Oh no, she missed again. And somehow I think we've reached the end of the line. Maybe we catch the punt on the way back down, I don't know. We're going to catch the punt back down or what?
Can?
I suppose we can, can't we? I do remember a time 10 years ago you couldn't go near any of the clongs in Bangkok because of the smell. No, absolutely no smell coming from it at all.
You know, it's a very good point. I didn't think of it.
Yeah.
There's no smell at all.
Yeah.
And there's no debris on it either.
No debris. They're doing a pretty good job of keeping this stuff clean, that's for certain. We thought we'd just take our own lives in our own hands along the road here just to get back down there. It's too crowded up there, man. Anyway, these guys here will just run us over. All good, all good. Yeah, so if you ever do get to find yourself in Bangkok and there's one of these pop-up night markets, they're always worthwhile just dropping down there, grab a bite to eat, an emerald bun, and just satisfy those cravings, man. Jerry felt less safe on the road, so we got back into the throng. But other than that, if you're not, when you're in Thailand, this is what you come for. All the street food, man. It's the way to go. And it's not expensive. What are they making here now? Crepes. Interesting. And from an Aussie's perspective, every time you see 25 baht on these signs, you just know the fact that that's $1. All the stuff here for $1. What are they charging at Bunnings these days? What, $3 or $5 for a sausage sandwich? Really? Nah, any more than $1, I think you're being ripped off. But yeah, plenty of food, 10 baht. I guess the only thing that's on my mind right now is what makes this a retro market? It looks like a normal market on the side of the street. Retro market? I don't know. It really is amazing who you see at these marketplaces, isn't it? It's your better half. Yes? Well, we're just finishing up. We've already eaten, so we're out of here. When you're out and about in Bangkok, you're bound to meet one of your expat friends. Robert's one of the guys that we know through Jerry's meetup, and that's his girlfriend. And yeah, he's obviously seen the advertisement too. Just said, come down and eat some food, man. Eat some food. Anyway, I think we're about ready to wrap this up. Well, got no light there, have I? Got to face that way. We're going to wrap it up now. Say goodbye to Jerry. I'm out of here too. I got to go back that way, 30 kilometers. Time to get a train. If you like these videos, as I said, you got to comment down below. That's the only way these things get traction now, so people can see them. Yeah, up to you. Patrons, members, thanks guys. I'm out of here. I think I've had a day and a half. My feet are killing me. Peace out and have a fun, guys.